for visiting, and if there's a first time for you to visit, I appreciate that. Please give us support, smash that like button, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. You can also leave a comment, but be kind. If you're already a subscriber, I do appreciate that, and you're the best. You're awesome. Continue watching my videos, like, share, and that will make me happy. You help my small family channel grow. So thank you. Join me here driving around St. Paul, Minnesota on a very cold day. Hopefully you're doing well, you're staying warm, and I'm not sure where you're watching from all the time. So all I can say is thank you for joining my journey here. Thank you for joining me on this short journey here, and I appreciate that. I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy and peace out.